Okay, so we've got scale here 1 centimetre to 250 metres, and use compass directions to complete these statements. So never eat shredded wheat. So Cronbury is, so here's Cronbury, and then Beltham. Cronbury is east of Beltham, so it's from here, alright, so that's where it's coming from, so it's east, it's that way. And then we've got Orton, I think it's called, is something of Beltham here, again, so we're looking up in this direction, so that's going to be north-west. Now from there, we're then going to complete these steps in your answers in kilometres, show you get your answers. So the first thing is distance between Beltham and the real distance between Beltham and Cronbury. Now that is 8 centimetres, and this one will be 5 centimetres. So if you've got 8 centimetres, you know every centimetre is 250 metres. So we times 8 by 250. That will give us 2,000, and it's kilometres 1, so it's 2. The second one is 5 times by 250, which is 1,250, which works out as 1.25 kilometres. Question 2. The coordinates of the point P is 0, 0, 3. So 0, 3. Coordinates of B, 2 across and then minus 5 down. Point P satisfies these conditions. Both coordinates P, the coordinates of P are negative whole numbers. So that means that it'll be in this area here, if they're both negative whole numbers. The triangle ABC has an area of 12, so AB and then somewhere C, well A and B is 6. So that means that to get an area of 12, we've got to do 6 times something halved to give us 12. It ends up being 4. So the distance from B to C must be 4, and the triangle ABC is right angled. So if we count 4 to the left of B and mark it here, and then join that up with straight lines with a ruler instead of what I've just done there, then you'll get your answer here where it should be. Question 3, in order, so the coldest first is minus 17, then minus 5, then 6, then 13. The trick with these, if you're not very good at decimals, is just write them without the decimals underneath. It makes sure you've got the same amount of numbers in each one, so add a 0 to that. And then it's the smallest first, so the smallest is, if you think of it, is 106, then we've got 121, then we've got 140, and then we've got 179, and then you simply just put the points back in, and then that gives you your answers, and I probably find the easiest way to do that. Question 6, so for this one, we're looking at putting these words in. So wood for shells is roughly 3.5 metres. Think about a metre length, that makes the most sense compared to others. A tin of paint contains 1.5 litres, and then a bag of screws weighing 100 grams. Question 5, we've got a car park charges £2.50 for each car. Table shows the coins the car park attendant collected from the car parking on Tuesday. You do not have any notes. How many cars use the car park? So the first thing I'm going to do is work out the total amount of money that we've got here. That's £80, sorry. That's £106. We've then got £44, 20p, so 20p times 116. So we're going to work that one out. Well, it's going to be a fifth of that. Could use it on a calculator quickly. I'll just do the working out. So we're going up 5 into 16 is 3. Carry the 1 over, and then we've got 2. So we've got £23 and 20 pence there. And then we've got 10p, divide that by 10, so we've got £16 and 80 pence. So if we then add all that together, so using our calculators there, to be honest for that one, so 80 plus your 106 plus your 44 plus your £23.20 and plus your £16.80, we get £270 spent. Now it costs them £2.50 for each car, so divide that by £2.50, and that will then give you 108 cars as your answer.